to own school of studies. Today, we are going to learn about circuits and their components. So, our today's focus is about first, we learn about our electric circuit, then components of electric circuit, and then what will happen in the circuit, and conductors and insulators of electricity. So, let's continue. Oh, sorry. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe what is an electric circuit is. Name at least three components of a circuit. Explain that what happens in a electric circuit. Differentiate between conductors and insulators. Now let's learn about what is electric circuit. So you can see that it is a complete path through which electric current flows. Okay, so here this on and off switch is there. If you on, the electricity passes here. The power comes from here. So electricity like it passes from here, then passes to this bulb, and then again comes down. You can see its flow. Direction of electric current. This is called direction of electric current. And it should be like that. It should be constructed like in an unbroken loop. Suppose you can have this, if this is cutted, then the electricity will not run. The flow will not go. Okay? So now let's go next. What makes a circuit complete? So we have components. A simple circuit is made of so many three components, that is a battery, a light bulb, and wires. Wires are mostly made out of conductors and insulators. Both we learned that afterwards. So these are the three components, as you can see: a bulb, wire, battery. So the symbol for them is this. For bulb, there's one cross and then circle. Okay. And for wires, just simple a line. And for battery, here plus and here minus. Here is plus and here is minus. So next, other circuit components. So battery is like this. Battery has two cells makes one battery. This is a closed switch. Remember something. See, whenever there is a closed switch between open switch, see, a closed switch is there means the current will flow continuously. It will not break. But when open switch is there, the current will break because it is not connected to this. Resistor is this, motor is this, and fuse is this. So now let's go on another. What happens in a circuit? Let's see what happens in a circuit. Dry cells provide the push needed for electrons to flow in the loop. So there are cells. I told you that two cells make one battery. So one single cell is also there. So one cell is dry. If the cell is dry, it is also needed in the circuit. It is needed to push the electrons in the loop. Loop means the current flow going. These electrons are already present in the wires. So electrons are present in the wire, and electrons help the current to flow smoothly. Okay, and when uh, electrons are pushed, the current flow starts and moving smoothly. When these electrons pass through a load or a receiver, electric energy can be changed into other forms such as light, heat, and sound. So, okay, suppose we have kept here bulb. So these electrons are pushed and can be converted into different energy. That is, here it will convert into light energy. Suppose if we keep here solar panel, it will convert into heat energy, and if we keep here speaker, it will convert into sound energy. So now let's go. Completing the circuit. Now let's complete the circuit by using three ways. See, this is our circuit. So this is our normal wire. Okay. And this is the symbol. Okay. Now let's go with the next one. Now we learn about conductors and insulators. The materials which are conductors of electricity that allow the current to flow freely is called conductors. And conductors opposite is insulators, which does not let electricity flow through them. So the examples of conductors are like silver spoon, copper wire. And insulators we have rubber balloon, diamond, rubber tire. Okay, now let's go with this way. Think about it. Can you name other conducting materials aside from copper wire and silver spoon? Think and give in the comments. Now let's think in the video. So we can think like iron. Iron is the uh, best best conductor of electricity. We have many more like uh, aluminium, etc., etc. Okay. What can electricity circuits do? Now let's see. It allows specific devices to produce heat and sound. It's basically changing the electrons into different forms of energy. It allows light bulbs to light up. We did that already. It helps trains move and makes traveling faster or school easier. It enables cooling system for of a refrigerator to work. If you have any more idea, please tell in the comments. Review. What is an electric cell? We already know that you can read this, but I will also read. It is also a complete path through which electric current flows. Some of its components include wires, a bulb, and a power source. It is a cell or a battery. A complete circuit features an unbroken A complete circuit features an unbroken loop where charges can flow. Means the current can flow. Now it's our quiz time. So guys, now let's learn turning lemons into electricity. How it works, let's see. So lemons have energy inside them. Now if you keep some positive and negative wires and join them with LED, you might get a electricity current loop. So that's it for today, guys. And hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next episode.